Le Hearst Castle. Je sais pas si ça vous rappelle quelque chose, mais c'était l'affaire Patricia Hearst. Son père c'était Citizen Kane. Le Hearst Castle. Arrivé.
South, very nice. Warm climate.
Oui, il faut marcher dessus.
Yeah, we're looking for a grand rooms tour. Get these guys.
Besides Kane.
Yeah. Yes, very much so. The ceiling is Italian. The choir stall. The Louis XIV, the Scipio tapestries.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. And this one too.
Yeah, Scipio Africanus.
Il a dû.
Ah oui, il avait de l'argent là.
Pièce du château.
Spanish choir stalls. Mercy seats. 600 years old. The mantle, this is English and French. Two mantles, stacked one on the other. The ceiling is from Bologna, Italy. The flags are from Siena, Italy, Il Palio. 18th century Spanish ceiling. King Alfonso X.
Troisième salle espagnole, celle-là, du XXe siècle.
Franco-Flemish tapestries. French mantle. Ram.
Quatrième salle,
How are ya?
les billards,
Good. Do you know how old this tapestry
la police.
is? No, I don't. It's probably the oldest on the tour. This Franco-Flemish tapestry, real floor style. 1,000 flowers. 16 bells in each tower. So they could play the bells from right here.
And is it old?
And they would send him cans of film from the studios. He would watch new releases that the public had not even seen. They would get screenings of those films right here. Fleur, Academy Award winner. Now, you're gonna see his girlfriend. This is Marion Davies, the great star of the silent screen. And Miss Davies was his mistress. She would have been
La piscine intérieure. Rémi est en train de prendre les mesures pour construire la même.
On va pas tarder d'ailleurs à plonger.
With a night on top that you will see at the visitor center, you contribute to maintaining Hearst's and Morgan's ongoing dream. Thanks to you, school children visit the castle and see things they never imagined. Conservators will work for painstaking hours, making sure that antique ceilings, paintings, textiles, and other parts of the art collection will remain beautiful for centuries to come.